Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rifnu. My name is 1119093000007. My class is Biology 2A. My theme is the allopathic substances, and the information that will be sought is the effect of allopathic substances and germination. Before reading a journal, we must first find the theme of the journal we will read, then especially the information that will be sought or desired. After that, determine the keyword of the information to be sought. I choose a journal with the theme of the influence of plant allopathic substances, and the information to be sought for is the effect of allopathic substances on germination, and the keyword of the information I will be sought is effect, allopathy, and germination. Then look for the title of the journal that matches the keyword. After finding keywords that match the title of the journal, after that we search for keywords in the journal abstract or preface of the journal. Look for keywords from the journal abstract and match them to the keyword of the information we are searching. Journal, abstract journal usually contain a basic overview on the overall contents of the journal. In the journal, I am looking for information that I will be search for or find in the journal. The keywords are germination and allopathy, and in the tables 1 and figures 1 until 5, there are also keywords of information that will look for such as the percentage of germination. In the tables and diagram, it is explained that the percentage of germination decreased due to the administration of Cyperus rodontus L. allopathy. The greater the concentration of the extract given, the greater the decrease in the percentage of germination in tomato plants. This time, I choose the theme regarding allopathic substances, and the information we I will be search is the effect of allopathic substances on germination. The first thing before reading a journal is to determine which journal you want to read. Match the keyword of the information we are looking for and determine of time. Keywords of information to look for are effect, allopathy, and germination. Then look for journal titles in accordance with this keyword. And the journal title that I found is Determination of Allopathic Effect of Purple Nutsack Cyperus rodontus L on germination and initial development of tomatoes. Lypercosium esculentum. In the journal titles are similars between the keyword of the information to be searched and the keyword from the journal titles, such as effect, allopathic, and germination. Effect, allopathic, and germination. Then, after now the title of the journal, we move to the abstract. We move to the abstract journal. In the abstract, there are keywords like germination, seedling, aerobatic tomatoes, and purple nutsteak. From the abstract, it can be seen the research in the journal conduct aims to investigate the aerobatic effect of Cyperus rhodontus L on seed germination rate, and growth of tomato seedlings with Cyperus rhodontus extracts concentration of 10, 20, 30, and 40%, and the results show that allopathic substances in Cyperus extracts can inhibit tomatoes germination and seedlings. It is well known that the effect of allopathy is to inhibit tomatoes germination and seedling. After that, look for keywords that are appropriate in the discussion and journal research. In the discussion and journal research is known that the effect of allopathy research in a decrease in the percentage germination rate, shoot rate, radical rate, and dry matter. And the tables main comparison of different river and tuber extract. In the tables, note that are higher level of the allopathic substances given to tomatoes germination, the higher the decrease in germination and seedling in tomatoes. And in conclusion, it is known that the allopathic substances is different from phenolic components found in Cyperus rhodontus L, which can inhibit tomatoes germination and seedlings. Allochemical also cause a decrease in H plus ATPase enzyme activity, degradation of sulfidylase protein groups, decrease in transmembrane electrochemical potential, and membrane deposition, which cause changes membrane structures and non-specific anion changes and efflux. And effluxion. The author's main idea in the effect of allopathic substances can inhibit the growth of seeds and germination in plants. Information that the author wants to give to the reader is 1. The effect of giving allopathic substances from Cyperus rhodontus L extracts to tomatoes germination and seedlings. 2. Allopathic substances derived from phenolic components in Cyperus rhodontus L. 3. The allopathic substances in Cyperus rhodontus extracts can cause inhibition of the growth of germination and seeds on tomatoes. 4. The higher the level of concentration extract of allopathy given, the higher the inhibiting factor for the growth of seedlings and germination. To find the main ideas of the author and the author information, the first thing to do is determine the keyword from the journal title or keyword from the journal abstract. Keyword from the journal abstracts. Then look for keywords in each journal paragraph. In the journal paragraph, after it is found, determine the main idea of each paragraph. After that, combine all the main ideas in the paragraph and draw conclusion from the main idea collection. After that, math is again with keyword from the journal titles. After that, make the main idea of the reader and we can find out what the reader wants to give to the reader. The stake of finding information in a journal. 1. Determine the keyword of the information to be searched. 2. Look, look for the journal titles that match the keyword information that will be searched. 3. Determine the keyword from the journal abstract. 4. Look for keywords in each discussion paragraph and research that can be in the form of a diagram or picture or tables. 5. And last stage is look for this keyword in the paragraph conclusion. In the journal, there is a citation. This is the citation. This is the citation. Citation is the way we tell readers that certain parts of our writing come from sources written by other writers. Citations are usually at the end or the first of the sentences containing the person's name and years.